better reason to send up an SOS for love? Just like a ship that's been wrecked at sea, but that's just the way you left me. Just like a plane that's in distress, when I'm coming down, girl, I'm in a terrible mess. So I'm begging you to come on back, 'cause I need you. And I'm pleading with you, baby, come on back, 'cause I want you. And I'm begging you to come on back, 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. Can you think of a better reason to send up an SOS for love?